welcome back to my channel, period, the baddest channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos. And welcome to the family, period. So as y'all can see from the title and the intro that y'all about to see, I'm going to be cleaning my room today. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so like I was saying, like y'all can see, like it's, oh my gosh, like my room is on 10 right now, for real, on 10. But yeah, like I was saying, is I was cleaning my room and I was like, why not make a YouTube video of me cleaning my room, because I know y'all want to see me, and I ain't post a YouTube video in like 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna just be cleaning my room, and I'm gonna probably like time lapse some of it. But yeah, I know I look bad, y'all, but today has just been a chill day. I ain't been doing nothing today but folding clothes, because we had a ton of clothes. We cleaned it up and stuff, so I had to fold all my clothes. So that explains why my room looks like this. My room do not look like this on a daily. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I look right now. I got no covers on my bed. I don't got no bed covers on my bed. This need to be clear off. I need to dump my trash. I gotta fold up all my clothes, like, cause like that's so freaking junky, y'all. I already started them, so I already did that, and I did this, and that's on my jeans, and then I hung up some of my my sweaters already, cause these are the sweaters that were in the last drawer, but I needed room. Oh yeah, so I'm just folding up clothes and cleaning up my room right now. This is how I'm looking. Like, ew, wait. So I'm just gonna get into it, period. I was watching Princess and the Frog, y'all. But yeah, we just gonna get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna finish folding my t-shirts, and I'm gonna put my t-shirts in the drawer. So I'm gonna put my t-shirts in the blank drawer that I didn't show y'all. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to fold up all of these. So let's get into that. Y'all, I got these clothes left to put up. I already did my drawers. I'm gonna show y'all how the first one look. Like, they look so much neater, right? Y'all can't tell me they don't. They look so neat, for real. Alright, so I'm gonna put the rest of my clothes on hangers in my closet, if I can find enough hangers. Or y'all gotta push all these clothes. Or hold on, under here, because I don't even really have space for right there. Like, y'all, I got too many freaking clothes. It's crazy, for real. Or I'm gonna put some right there. I might have to put some on the other side, but the other side is really for my shorts or like other jeans I got. Y'all can't even see. Okay, the other side is like for other jeans and stuff that I don't even wear like that. And then I got my other jeans back there, and then I got my I have my jeans in a drawer over here. I got jeans in this drawer, jeans over there, and jeans over there. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to turn the camera over there, and I'm gonna be like folding up these clothes. I'm out of breath, y'all. And I'm gonna be folding up these clothes, and I'm gonna be putting them in my closet, hanging them up, or putting them in the little pouch thing underneath my closet. I look so bad, y'all. It's crazy. This how much I got to do. It's not as bad as how I had looked the first time, but it's getting there. My package is finally came from Shein. Period. I was gonna do a little haul, but I don't know. I don't think I'm doing it. But yeah, my stuff on the clean. Alright, let me finish.
Justice League.
As y'all can see, like, I cleared the floor already, if y'all can't see. So I fold up all my clothes. I put all my clothes and organize all my clothes, period, and hang up all my clothes. So now I'm about to do the bed, because you know, whenever you make up your bed like that, just make your whole room look 10 times cleaner. So let's do that. Oh, okay, so y'all, I'm about to take my trash out and everything. I guess I'm gonna just time lapse this, cause I'm about to vacuum. I gotta sweep, so I think I'm just time lapse. Yeah. It looks so much better, like, for real. Let me show y'all. Hold on. This is the final look of my room, and it being clean. Period. My closet is organized. Well, it's somewhat organized, whatever. But all my clothes is put up. Let me show y'all, cause I did put all my clothes in there. Y'all can see now. I put all my shirts in here. Not all my shirts, but I put the shirts that couldn't fit in there. My drawers are organized. My jeans, my tights and shorts, and more tights and sweatpants. So yeah, y'all, I done my trash, get my trash clean, everything clean. My bed is made. I still don't got my pillowcases on there, y'all, so just disregard that. But yeah, period. We're going to use that clean. Yes, period. The carpet clean. Yes, period. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, period, and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos.